The Trump administration SAID on Thursday it would spend $4 millions en construction project in the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge in preparation for oil drilling in the nation's biggest wildlife park. In an announcement that touted planned improvement to U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service visitor facilities, the Department of the Interior SAID it has approved spending on project for oil exploration readiness in the coastal plain of the Arctic Refuge. The Trump administration is pushing for an oil lease in the refuge to be held early next year. The tax overall bill passed by the U.S. Congress last December includes a provision mandating to oil lease all each offering at least 400 acres, 161,874,26 hectares, within 7 years. The 19 millions acres, 7,7 millions hectares, Arctic Refuge, the largest in the U.S. National Wildlife Refuge System, contains some of the wildest territory in North America. There are no roads established prior building of any type within the refuge border, and no cell phone service, according to the Fish and Wildlife Service. This is a true wilderness refuge, the Arctic Refuge website advises. Political and business leader in oil depend Alaska have tried for decades to pre-open the refuge's coastal plain, which is believed to hold potential for billions of barrels of oil. But the plain, between the Brooks Range Mountains and the Arctic Ocean, is prized for its importance to caribou, polar bears and other wildlife. Oil development there had been banned until Alaska Senator Lisa Murkowski led a move to insert a pro-drilling provision into the 2017 tax bill signed by President Donald Trump. In Alaska, the development plan is largely embraced, but not universally so. Drilling opponents gathered outside of last week's Anchorage and Fairbanks hearing about the proposed lease sale to protest the plan. Interior spoke, woman Heather Swift, in an email, SAID the $4 millions will be USD to support this project designed to improve and construct existing outbuilding facilities and research operations that work will include improvement to facilities located outside the refuge, in the Inupiat village of Kaktovik and at Galbraith Lake along the Trans-Alaska Pipeline Corridor, she SAID in the email. The $4 millions appropriation for Arctic Refuge project is one of the largest single item in a total of $50 millions in planned DOI construction spending. The President is a builder, he loves to build and he loves our public lands, so it is a natural fit that the Trump administration is dedicating so much attention to rebuilding our aging fish and wildlife service infrastructure, Secretary Ryan Zinke SAID in a statement on Thursday. A partnership of 3 companies is seeking to do seismic surveys in the refuge starting this winter. That plan, from SA Exploration and to Alaska Native Corporation, was panned by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the Washington Post reported last month. There has been no decision on that application, Swift SAID on Thursday, it was a draft application. The department does not make decision based upon early draft.